We're going to ask that VidCom show our 4 videos on the screen so that you can look at them once more and judge for yourself. VidCom, please show the videos for Reggae Video of the Year. The 4 videos in that category. Girly Girly, Sophia George. Foreign Mind, Junior Reid. The Good, the Bad, and the Hungry, Fat Boys. And Princess Black, Eddie Fitzroy.
The father would work on the plantation field, but that was then, and now it's the time to celebrate the reggae man with this rhyme. My name is Fritz, called name Marky D, and the king of reggae, the late great Boy Marley. And there are other great men, and it must be said that one of these men is the one Sammy Dread. Also, Jacob Miller and Dennis Brown, Michigan and Smiley, all the best around. There's also Sassy Brass and Welton Irie, and there's another great rapper, Colonel Desi. But let it be known that I'm rapping okay, cause I am rapping hardcore reggae. USA, but I also like to rap to the beat of reggae. Peter Tosh is the man with a reggae voice, worldwide musician, the people's choice. Without taking much control with a mic in my hand, I'm the reggae rap chief like the King Yellow Man. To soothe your body with words so smooth, with beats so fresh, put you into the groove. Reggae music so divine, it sounds so sweet, guaranteed rock rhythm to move your feet. This is me, cool rock, dominating the feet, and I'm rapping hardcore to the reggae beat. So everybody get ready, the beat is steady, and fat boys rap to the hardcore reggae. Girl, you know it hurt, cause it wasn't mine. Said it wasn't mine.
Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them foreign mind. The foreign is a place where people come and go. When some people go to foreign, they see things they never see before, and forget all about their breathing. Giving support. Right now he's down there sleeping on the floor. Get to see, worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them foreign mind. They must die. Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them foreign mind. Look on me black, look on me shine. This is not a secret to keep in your mind. Michael Jackson said me good is mine. Johnny Osbourne sing about me wine. Foreign up sell them and Jamaica sell lime. Now cook the soup it up, me have me time. Me now mix me wash it up, me have me lime. Baby wash me touch it, hang it on the line. Some man gonna foreign can go turn shoe shine. Me rather do some business on the front line. Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them foreign man. If they must lie. Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them foreign man. Hey, around the band me on mission, me music got tear down a plan. Who play that Tony William man? You got everybody got me. Anymore, not anymore, not anymore, not anymore. Figure why England turn and see me flying. Take me to the club and drink expensive wine. You don't come back, I got me no foreign man. Me come back, I had me love me sunshine. New York nice but in the summertime. Canada nice but in the summertime. London nice but in
Can you first? Wanna sell star, one work in a bar. A she can't smile when the two of them spar. One but Betty, you too girly, girly. You just a flash it on the whirly. Young man, you too girly, girly. You just a flash it on the whirly. You too girly, girly. You just a flash it on the whirly. Young man, you too girly, girly. You just a flash it on the whirly.
Precious, precious, precious woman, Princess Black. She always, always, always say, oh, she tougher than a rock. She don't like to stay at home, living independently. She says she has to struggle all day, oh, just like a man you see. She's a precious, precious, precious woman. Princess Black, she always, always, always say, oh, she tougher than a rock. Anything that is progressive, she always in a bag. She works from 8 to 5 to keep her youth them alive. She's a precious, precious, precious woman. Princess Black, she always, always, always say, she tougher than a rock. She always, always, always say no. She tougher than a rock. Princess Black, yeah, hey, oh. Princess Black, yeah.
The early B, please come on stage to tear the envelope. Early B. Yeah, lick shot. Early B.
Princess Black, I have a black beautiful lady. Where is Eddie Fitzroy?
Eddie Fitzroy, Princess Black. A video that glorifies the hard-working Jamaican woman every time.